Welcome to Bee Swarm with your underscore. God damn! I'm gonna edit that out. Your underscore cameraman 16. And I'm not gonna say my name. We're doing Noob to Pro. Blue Hive. No macro. Or maybe macro, I don't know. I don't think macro, because be done with intro to blue, by the way. I meant variety fetcher. This quest sucks. I can buy a new egg. I'm just gonna do that now, because Bomber B ain't doing all that. My boots, diamond mask.
I have like absolutely none of those.
And then the one that got.
That could look like.
I don't think. Oh, I got the silver egg? I didn't realize that was the quest. I got Demo B. I'm gonna die. Holy, I'm rich. I'm chasing the little fireflies, and every honey token gives me 800 honey, so I have 8,000. I just got 1k. I have 10 grand. Holy fireflies are OP.
It can do his quest, but the quest is impossible.
It's like, can I collect infinite honey? BM. Like bird. There isn't enough.
Also, what's wrong with the maxed out wave redhead?
Is there like a little no lifer?
No,
Yeah.
maxed out blue is a no lifer.
No, cause they go. No, cause they macro and then they go outside.
Red don't macro that much though. Blue does.
Yeah. So red doesn't macro, so they're always inside playing the game.
Game? Well, I'm gonna do that too.
Come on, gifted basic B. That's not gifted basic B. That's a bomber B. Cause you know you still want to stay like mixed until. Star Journey quest so difficult, but the rewards are just butt. It's a daily leaderboard reward.
I love his face.
Okay. I didn't kill the spider on purpose just so I can complete the Spider Slayer quest.
I want first edition Windy B.
You're not completing Stickbug's Beesmas quest.
Yes, I am.
It's so terrible. Tokens from Stickbug, and then like 5,000 tokens from defense totems, and if you did it all by. I'm 7 quests away from the gold egg. Okay.
Wait, he's more nerd of Beachworm?
Huh?
He's better than you in Beachworm?
Yeah, he's a level 21 red hive.
Rewarded from the Mondo.
It's not even during Leo time, is it?
Leo time.
What do you mean when's purple hive?
Yeah, purple hive. You don't know purple hive?
I had a purple hive. Why are you saying when?
Who's tunnel there? Oh yeah, tunnel bear.
Gonna be some series.
Oh shoot.
What's your new account, though?
I got a frosty bee.
I'm focusing on the adventure, the funness.
I was focusing on the friends we made along the way.
I want Bumblebee. Wait, what was that one bee's called? I swear, I think it was, oh no, collect like a million honey with Bumblebee. I hated that. Those bit hype.
So the best way to do it, there's a bee quip called a snap crack or something like that. And then you create a bomb, and you would use it and you get so much. 'Cause I don't know how to do all that.
I know. I have like $700 in cash
I got a looker bee.
and on. Yeah, looker bee.
And I got a stubborn bee. I have 10 other bees, or I have 9 other bees.
So like, are gonna edit audio.
I'm just gonna cut.
Yeah, I like Ninja Bee though.
Ninja bee is a blue bee, but you don't need it sometimes.
Want a lot of tauntful bees?
No.
Would I want a lot of tauntful bees?
That's red. No, you only want like 2.
There's no way.
Yeah, we forgot about the codes.
Oh yeah.
Roof,
Tell me one.
wax, conquestador.
Wait.
I didn't spell it right. Oh wait, we should remove Honey Day. Never mind. Oh, do
I need it.
15 million members.
15. Mm.
Oh wait, why'd I do that? Yo, I'm stupid. I forgot it gives bamboo field boost times 4.
115 mil?
15 capital M, and then members. The second capital M is for members.
Oh my god. Why am I gonna do all this stuff?
Rich.
I got a HDB.
What other ones are there? Oh, B Buzz 123.
Coconut field? I cannot go to
Gumdrops
coconut
for
field, man.
science. Club Bean.
Gumdrops.
Actually, no, save Club Bean until we have pineapple. 38217.
38.
Bach. B.
3,
Oh,
8,
Bop. Wait, is
2,
that
1.
Bop Master? Yo, on it! Oh, Connoisseur, not Conquestador.
Conquest?
Oh, no. Crawlers.
Ballers?
No, Crawl. Nectar. Roof Wax. Okay, I already did those.
What about for royal jelly? Anything for royal jelly? Cause I don't know. Kobe?
Kobe's retired!
It was way better.
Yeah, Caitlin Clark did just have a historic game.
They're just less aggressive to each other, I guess. Oh, well, you can't say that.
Oh, shoot. Oh, I got a pyramid sticker.
Stupid. You're so stupid.
Oh, yeah, well, you don't have a pyramid sticker, so. There's a vicious
Why would I have a
spider.
period?
I said pyramid!
Oh, pyramid. Oh, yeah, pyramid. I don't have pyramid.
Yeah, no, because I have it.
Well, at least I'm.
Yo! I got a Robo-Pass!
What?
From the spider.
Let's go. I get a stinger and 4,000
I
honey.
got 7 stingers and 7,000 honey.
If you're legendary, eat all the pineapples.
Ooh, wait. I'm gonna be able to get the helmet. I'm gonna have maxed out, whatever shop.
Shit.
Okay, collect 10k from strawberry, bamboo, and clover. That's not that bad.
Man, Beachstorm is so easy.
Holy foreshadowing.
Yeah.
Tower Defense Simulator.
Gee, but I
And
love
it's slower than
parachuting.
walking. It's slower than walking though.
And then episode 100 will be completing business with friends long we made. How about completing Fortnite? By Xboxes, by PlayStations, by phones.
Ooh, I got a roll.
Not that hard.
How's
A
it
whole
look?
entire link though. Dude, I've never seen gameplay of it.
Oh, I did it! Wait, did you get the royal jelly by the clock?
Yeah.
Oh, I used the wealth clock. I think you might be able to. I got a bubble bee.
I can addicted.
Oh, I forgot about the. Oh, science fair gives you science enhancement.
So why?
Oh, I got a whirly
It
kit.
doesn't have roof.
Wait, is this a whirly?
It doesn't
Yeah.
have roof.
But that's the last. Oh, he
Yeah,
did
but-
summon a Winnie Bee. That's the last translator you want to give. On to Marcus 61st. I have
King
over
Vaughn
100 hours
first.
of playtime.
Ready to be by on it. And I almost broke my PC.
Once you play Evil Fortnite, you can't go back.
Once you listen to Evil Spotify. What is it? What is it? What is it?
A legendary sprout! Oh, holy voice crack. God damn! You know what?
From a basic egg. I got a legendary music bee!
No, you didn't.
Yes,
you
I did!
Oh my god!
Come on, man. I have a wife from chest to go to.
Alright, it's about to pop. Alright, get the stuff, get the stuff.
I got oil.
Oh, get all the royal jelly. Diamond egg! Diamond egg, I see it! I got it!
Are you kidding me? It's
got
been
it.
in a way.
No, I got
about
it.
to get it.
Wait, what were you about to get?
A diamond egg.
Wait, there was two?
Yes.
What?
Bean.
Me too. Yeah. Got a commander bee, so I can get rid of a looker bee. Got a rally bee, I'm getting rid of that. I got a brave bee, I'm gonna use my diamond.
I got two hasties.
Oh, I also got
don't
the
want
gold
that.
egg from Brown Bear. Or that's not Brown Bear. I was so scared the first one was gonna fade away as well. And feed.
At least I got a bean. I have oil.
What would that matter?
Mm.
Okay, I know this is a bad decision to use your tickets on Royal Jelly, but I want to complete the Mother Bear. Okay.
Oh yeah, and you can get this is an actual bee.
You have to kill 5 spiders. Like, what is that quest? Diamond
Wheat
egg from the
and-
spider. That's not a diamond egg.
Only I have 200 treats. What?
I want to get back on track after I complete this black bear quest. Why is someone using snowflake? Oh no, it's because of snow globe. Wow, how rude. I was talking to him.
Oh, yeah.
11,000 honey.
I got
I've-
11,100 honey.
I wanna build my house.
I don't care about
You can
your
play-
stupid show.
You can play girl. You can wait and play girl garden.
build a giant.
Okay, I'm glad he left.
I'm glad he stopped mid sentence.
This maze is so buggy. You can like grab stuff in between the wall in the 10B zone.
There's a button to maze.
There's not. No. It's... Yeah, I'm leaving that in. Isn't there jelly beans? Or is it just? I think it's just sunflower season royal jelly.
Should I do the memory match?
I don't know.
Okay, gambling. Oh.
I have two to.
What do you hate? Wand is better than a vacuum.
One. The porcelain dipper?
Holy, dude, how many?
Well, yeah, that's difficult to get.
102.
Wait, okay. I have no. I bought 3
I mean, the
eggs.
RB is pretty bad in the red heart too. So nope, I got a RB.
3.
I might actually be questioned, but like not my dad talking. That's too much talking. Hold on a minute. If I got,
That in the video, and I'd feel really happy for you.
I did. Ooh, are you coming?
Hold on. The strawberry dispenser to get 5 times haste, and that's gifted by
Really?
the usability. What kind of sprinkler is this? This is a supreme sprinkler.
I don't fucking know.
Someone pop a. I think someone popped a planter because there's level 8 mushrooms. Oh, I get 2 times.
I use all my festive planters, by the way. Let's go. Ooh, Oreo jelly. And I forgot how valuable really jelly was. I got Quagmire. God damn it, Quagmire.
Got another bumblebee.
Don't do it, Gus.
I have to wait 10 minutes. Don't do what? Talk to Brown Bear?
Oh no, I mispronounced bear.
What did you say?
Bale.
What are you, Sean? Boy, I'm about to get the gold egg. Oh yeah.
No, the already got you.
I don't care, but I got the gold egg.
Imagine dying by a spider.
Woohoo!
What?
Like the first 20 days, just cause I grinded it nonstop.
Man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
As Extreme Demon.
And I want Mrs. Klaus. Mr. Santa. Bruce Wayne.
Who's Bruce Wayne? Some random guy.
Can I use my dice?
Bees, there's still another Mantis! They started collecting like there was no other Mantis.
There's no mantises there? Thank God.
I don't know.
Oh, yeah,
my outfit. I gotta. Oh, dude, I completely forgot about the royal jelly on top of the ticket stand.
Those?
Commander bees. No one said. Who shocked me? I need that for haste. I'm gonna get rid of a stuff. I don't know what to get rid of.
Love?
God damn it. Gummy bee or no?
I do.
Oh.
Never fucking. Shut up.
Playing bee swarm.
Can I play
Yeah.
Minecraft?
Playing bee swarm. It's okay.
You're okay.
Thank you.
Now what? Dun
God damn.
dun 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 dun.
Do you hear it though? Do you hear it?
Shut up, Chud.
Holy hey! Oh, I got another frosty bee. Give me a buckle bee. That's a shot.
Oh my god, that'd be
Wait,
cool
you
though.
thought it would be a next level?
Yes. Wee.
Oh, there's sparkles in pineapple.
And one dessert.
Spice kebab? Yo, Pulver, screw you. Yo,
Oh, I got Rage B.
that is not mythic or diamond. You gotta come here quick.
I'm buying an egg. I did it!
Whoa, whoa.
Pink pineapple? How'd you get that?
I'm on blue mushrooms now.
Just give me. You better stop.
I got one royal jelly for that. And, I'm gonna get rid of... I'll get rid of a
Stop.
Tavern B. I got a raid B, I'm gonna crash on. I just got a rascal B. I'm gonna go spend 6 more tickets.
A sturdy little bamboo field.
I just got a bumblebee, I'm gonna keep it.
You don't have a chance to get that, by the way. You're only divine. I got Ninja Bee!
Ooh-hoo-hoo.
I'm pretty lucky. I'm playing pretty lucky. Oh, I got Looker Bee. By the way, I did not get rid of Ninja Bee.
You didn't? Okay.
To a heart attack.
That's what I meant.
I'm just gonna flat out heart attack if I get a gifted mythic. Do you think donuts are hot?
What?
Here you go.
I said I never want it.
Oh, I'm gonna give Kingsley one too.
That's the end. Like and subscribe. Yay! Part 2 will be out soon.